In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect S Pen to another phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the S Pen and the compatibility options that you have. So the S Pen can be connected to various different devices. So as you can see, they list the compatibility here. So you can connect it to the Z Fold series, so the Z Fold 6, Z Fold 5, Z Fold 4, Z Fold 3, then the Note series phones, then the tablets Tab S7, S8, S9, S10, and finally the S21 Ultra, S22 Ultra, 23 Ultra, 24 Ultra, finally the 25 Ultra, and the Book 3. So as long as you purchase a compatible S Pen, you will be able to connect it to any of these devices. Keep in mind that most of these devices will natively include an S Pen, so you only have to purchase a new one if you are looking to get additional features or if you need yours replaced for whatever reason. If you have a device that already has an S Pen, you just need to remove it from its socket, so usually it is going to be over here at the bottom. You just press the button, and once it is out, you pull it out with your fingers. Now you will see this button on the screen that allows you to access all of the options about the S Pen. And of course, it is going to be usable right away. If you purchase an additional S Pen, go into the settings, then find Advanced Features. When you go into Advanced Features, choose S Pen. So you will find S Pen available in there, and now you will be able to manage it. If your device has an S Pen inserted into the slot, it is going to tell you here, ready to be used. If you need to scan a new one, tap these three dots and then you will be able to select Reset S Pen or Scan for S Pen Pro. So you can scan for a nearby S Pen Pro and you can connect it to any device by pressing and holding the connect button while in close proximity. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect S Pen to another phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.